I'm Matthew Hayes and I'm the Vice President Welfare and Equal Opportunities for Oxford Brookes Students' Union. Oxford Brookes Students' Union is working with ITV Fixers to run a campaign for anti-drink spiking.
I'm quite shocked by the statement drink spiking has risen by 160% since the introduction of the smoking ban.
My name is Orla Rogers and I'm the Vice President of Academic Affairs at Oxford Brookes Students' Union. I've dealt with a number of students who have had their drinks spiked, unfortunately. That's in my capacity as a university hall warden. I got a call at 2 o'clock in the morning from a student's friend. The girl was intoxicated, she couldn't think straight, she couldn't speak properly, and it was obvious that it wasn't just an alcohol problem. She'd obviously been drugged in some way. I accompanied her to hospital. She received medical attention there, and they confirmed that there was some sort of chemical in her system that wasn't alcohol related. She was quite traumatised by what had happened to her. In addition to that, she couldn't remember really much about the previous night, which was quite scary for her.
I think there is a general underreporting through either embarrassment because something has happened that night which they don't want anyone to know, or due to the fact that they physically can't remember because the drug that's been used is something that does cause them to lose their memory.
ITV Fixers has given me some posters and coasters which I can take out into the student community and put them in pubs and clubs, in our student union bars and around the campuses, as well as the advert that they've reconstructed of an actual drink spiking situation to show the dangers of drink spiking.
The majority of drink spiking instances that we get are not drug related. They tend to be alcohol related, so spiking of alcohol with more alcohol. For actual drug spiking of drinks, we expect to see some. It wouldn't be a huge number, but we certainly would expect to see perhaps a couple a week.
At this time of year, it's probably going to be in the increase, what with it being the festive period, party season. It could happen in any sort of scenario.
My hopes is that a lot of students are more aware and keep safe when they're out drinking with friends. Generally, like if you are with someone, if you're in a group of people that you trust a lot and you want to go out for a cigarette, for example, leave it with them. Don't leave it by itself, or keep it with you at all times, or use a spiky or an alco top.
We obviously, as a union or as two union officers, cannot possibly stop everybody's drink being spiked in the whole of the Oxford area. But if anything, we would like to achieve a general awareness of it.